everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today is Easter, and unfortunately here it is raining. I did plan to do an egg hunt with Amora and Avery, and they are standing at the door with the eggs, and I just came out here. I'm like, okay, let's get dressed, maybe take some pictures. So even though we can't go out anywhere, we were going to celebrate at home, and then it started raining. So I guess we're going to wait it out a little bit and see what happens, and we'll be back. So it is still raining, but I'm going to go ahead and put some of these eggs out anyway. Look, I got dressed too. I got a cute little dress on. It's not raining really bad, but I just don't want them to get there, get wet, and then they get sick. So whenever it stops, at least I have the eggs out. See, I'm just throwing some down in like our little flower bed and stuff over here. So whenever it stops raining, they could just come out here and get them. Yeah, so this is what I'm doing. Oh, I think I'm gonna flip the camera. I bought these bags from Big Lots. They had everything 50% off. So I got 2 bags. They have 16 eggs in it with candy already in it. So yeah, I'm just putting them out here, and then like I said, when the rain stops, they could just come and get the eggs. So that's one bag I already did, and now I need to open the other bag, and we'll see what this rain lets us do. Yeah, just throwing them in the flower bed right there in the yard. We don't have a whole lot. Like I said, each bag had 16 in it, but I only have 2 kids, so that's enough for them to pick them up real quick. Just to have something to do because we can't go anywhere. Quarantine. Put one in there. Huh? It's hard to do this when I'm recording. It's really not that bad, but I just don't want y'all coming. All right, so that was the last egg. Oh no, there's one more. So that was the last egg. So whenever it calms down enough, we'll the rain let up a little bit so they can come out here and get their eggs. Here's some, Avery. Look. Amora trying to help you out. found all of the eggs. So just want to do a cute little, where's Avery? I can't get you in the camera.
I got that.
There you go.
You're so tiny.
Just do a little egg hunt, something for them today for Easter. Since, you know, can't really go anywhere, do anything, so we did it in our front yard. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And what do you want to say, Avery?
Click up and subscribe.
And we will see you back on the next one.
And
don't forget to eat. What you tell them? Don't forget to eat. Don't forget to eat what? Their Easter eggs. Okay, Avery said don't forget to eat your Easter eggs.
I wonder who got more.